Bitcoin, we start with daily chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And if you refer to our analysis again, we have been looking for the reversal. And we mentioned we want to see the breakout of the 45,500. By the way, we mentioned the best things is if we could get the daily correction, because the daily correction, it can give us better confirmation for continuation. This is what we're looking for. That means if you get the deeper correction, then any opportunity for buy from there, we will take it. And anyway, we're looking to see the breakout of the 67,500. That means this is what are we looking for. It doesn't mean the price can continue as a straight line. We will expect the price to consolidate here before we see the reversal. That's why we're looking for the daily correction. If you get any opportunity for buy as a daily correction from here, we will take it. But at the same times, I highlighted we can put this one in relative to this. Even we can expect this one to be a flat as a first correction for the next down move. And in the next drop, the price is easily can drop to somewhere around 28K. Okay, but at this point, we are not really interested to look for sell. I'm looking at this correction. We want to see whether we can get any opportunity for buy or not. No, the question is how deep this correction can go. If we move to lower time frame, all right, with the breakout of the 4900, if the price could break the 4900, we can expect the price drop to 39,400, following by 37,900. We prefer to see the reversal without the breakout of this one. That means without the breakout of the 39,400. Because if the price drop to 37,900, the possibility for the reversal will be very less. All right. By the way, we are looking for buy at this point, unless we see the some changes. Again, when I say I'm looking for buy, that means we have to wait for the opportunity trade setup for buy. Doesn't mean simply we can take the trade, because we don't see any reversal point yet, and we mentioned how deep this one can go. All right, that means simply we shouldn't take the trade. We have to look for the trade setup. Anyway, if we get any opportunity for buy, because as I mentioned, I'm looking for buy, I will take it. And with the breakout of the 45,500 as a short term, we can look for 49,400 following by 54K. All right, now how we looking at this one. Now we want to see whether we can put this one in relative to this as a flat or not. Because if we look at the chart, simply we can consider this one as a first, this one as a correction, and this is what I want to look for then one, at least one move up. The next move up, we have to see the breakout of the 45,500. Okay, now based on forward chart, I don't see any trade setup. Again, for those traders, they get the trade for buy within this one, especially if within here. Even in my last analysis, when the price was here, I mentioned either move their stop loss to break even or book some profit if they don't want to take with the trade in the profit. And we don't have any reversal point based on forward chart. And if I move to 1 hour chart, we don't see any reversal point because each of the indicators showing us a different information. Similar explanation as what we have based on forward chart, right? And if the price reverses a corrective move in relative to what we have here, this is where we can look for the next drop. But what I'm looking for buy. Then how to look for trade, just as a simple method. Again, it depends on the strategy the traders they use. I mean, it depends on maybe the traders, they have a different way to look for trade, but simple way, we can look for the sharp move flag, we take the trade, or we see the next drop by breakout of the lowest price of this correction, then we can put our entry above here. Okay, again, we cannot take the trade simply. We have to look for the trade setup, because we can expect this correction as a daily one turn to a deeper correction, and this is the levels we can look for. And for me, I prefer to see the reversal without the breakout of this one. That means without the breakout of the 39,400. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.